For decades, humans have feared the rise of machines, from sci-fi movies depicting rogue robots to real-world discussions about job losses due to automation. The question remains the same: will AI take over your job? Some say we're on the brink of a technological revolution that will make human labor obsolete. Others argue that AI will simply enhance productivity, creating new opportunities rather than eliminating them. The truth, it's complicated. The future of automation isn't just about robots assembling cars or algorithms trading stocks. It's about how we, as a society, adapt to a world where AI plays a bigger role in decision-making, creativity, and everyday life. So, what does the future really hold? Will AI replace humans, or will it become the ultimate tool for human advancement? Let's dive deep into what automation means for jobs, industries, and the global economy. The rise of automation. A historical perspective: automation isn't a new concept. It has been shaping industries for centuries, starting with the Industrial Revolution. Machines replaced manual labor in agriculture, textiles, and manufacturing, increasing productivity but also displacing workers. In the 20th century, assembly lines revolutionized production. Workers feared losing their jobs to machines, but instead, industries evolved, and new roles emerged. Fast forward to today, and we're experiencing another shift, this time fueled by artificial intelligence. And like past automation, which focused on repetitive physical tasks, AI is targeting cognitive work. Machines can now analyze data, process language, and even create art. The question isn't whether AI can take over jobs; it already has. The real concern is how far it will go and which jobs will be affected the most. Industries most at risk. Not all jobs are equally threatened by automation. Some professions are more susceptible to AI disruption than others. Here are a few industries that could see major shifts. 1. Manufacturing and warehousing. Factories have long been ground zero for automation. Robotic arms and AI-driven systems can assemble products faster and more efficiently than humans. With advances in machine learning, even quality control and supply chain logistics are becoming automated. 2. Transportation and delivery. The rise of self-driving vehicles is one of the biggest threats to jobs in transportation. AI-powered trucks, taxis, and delivery drones are being tested worldwide. 3. Customer service and call centers. AI chatbots are rapidly improving. Many companies now use virtual assistants to handle customer inquiries, process complaints, and even make recommendations. 4. Data entry and administrative roles. Many back-office jobs that involve repetitive data entry or processing are prime candidates for automation. 5. Retail and fast food. Self-checkout kiosks and automated ordering systems are already replacing cashiers. Jobs that AI struggles to replace. While automation is a growing force, some jobs are much harder for AI to replace. These roles typically require emotional intelligence, creativity, and complex decision-making. 1. Healthcare and medical professions. AI can assist doctors with diagnosing diseases and analyzing medical scans, but it lacks human empathy. Nurses, therapists, and caregivers provide emotional support that machines cannot replicate. The human touch in healthcare is irreplaceable. 2. Creative fields. AI can generate music, write stories, and create art, but it still lacks originality and true creativity. Artists, filmmakers, musicians, and designers bring personal experiences and emotions into their work, something AI cannot fully replicate. 3. Education and teaching. While AI can help with tutoring and personalized learning, human teachers play a crucial role in motivating and mentoring students. Education is more than just delivering information. It involves social interaction, encouragement, and adaptability. 4. Skilled trades and craftsmanship. Carpenters, electricians, and plumbers rely on years of hands-on experience and problem-solving skills. While robots can assist with tasks, they lack the adaptability and intuition needed for complex repairs and installations. 5. Leadership and strategic thinking. Executives, entrepreneurs, and managers make high-level decisions that require a deep understanding of human behavior, economics, and long-term planning. AI can provide insights, but leadership requires vision and adaptability that technology cannot replicate. The final verdict: should you be worried? The future of automation isn't a dystopian nightmare, nor is it a utopian dream. AI is a tool, its impact depends on how we choose to use it. If history has taught us anything, it's that humans are adaptable. The jobs of today may not exist in the future, but new opportunities will rise. Instead of fearing AI, the best approach is to learn how to work with it. The key to staying relevant in an automated world is continuous learning. The more you understand AI and its capabilities, the better prepared you'll be for the future. So, will AI take over your job? Maybe, maybe not. But one thing is certain, the future belongs to those who can evolve with technology, not against it. The real question isn't whether AI will replace you, it's whether you're ready to embrace the future.